Hello and welcome to St. Louis Park Today. I'm Seth Rowe. It's Thursday, April 9th, and here's a story I'm working on today. Well, I just spent an afternoon working on a story pertaining to a Minnesota Department of Health report that found that Park Nicollet failed to follow federal reporting regulations when Park Nicollet Methodist Hospital sent a woman who was 25 weeks pregnant to another hospital without proper notification and so forth. The Minnesota Department of Health found that the hospital failed to maintain a central emergency room log and failed to provide the patient with an appropriate transfer to another hospital. The report also found that a physician failed to sign a medical certification that the benefits of the transfer outweighed the risks. The report also stated that the hospital failed to ensure that the receiving hospital was notified of the transfer and had accepted the patient for continued medical care. The report lists a series of deficiencies. Park Nicollet Methodist Hospital personnel interviewed by the health department stated that the hospital contacted the ambulance service prior to arrival to divert it to another hospital because the hospital did not have, Park Nicollet Methodist Hospital that is, did not have a neonatal intensive care unit. Hospital personnel reported that the patient arrived smiling, did not appear to be in distress. Physicians said that she did not notify the receiving hospital because she thought the ambulance service had already provided notification of the patient's arrival. The patient did not return calls in connection with the investigation. Although the incident in question occurred last October, the patient did not have a delivery until January, according to the report, and left the hospital she was transferred to within 12 days. Park Nicollet had to submit a corrective action plan to the Minnesota Department of Health. The plan states that the health system will retrain its entire emergency staff and conduct 20 random reviews of emergency room cases each month. Well, it's another beautiful day out there again, blue skies. The high of 54 degrees is set today and a low of 31 degrees. Tomorrow will be even a little bit warmer with 56 degrees for the high and 29 for the low. Saturday, there's a forecasted high in the 60s. And the low will stay above freezing at 38. So that's something to look forward to coming up here for the weekend. Thanks again for watching. I'm Seth Rowe for St. Louis Park Today.